think, Oreo? She is focused. Right, so here's the two units stacked one on top of the other. How it'll be in the bus when we get to that point. So let's start putting in some fittings. This is how it shipped. This is all the fittings that were in it when I got it. I think we're gonna put a street 90 in here. This is our cold water in. This is where we get water from the tank or the bus freshwater system somewhere. Just mock up, no pipe dope yet. We're then going to want our one-way check valve. So this is our one-way check valve right here. I don't think I can get it to focus. This is our check valve. BII brass, made in Taiwan. It's got a little directional arrow on it right there, and it wants to go this way because we want fresh water to come in, but we don't want to let hot water flow back into our fresh water system. So 4 plumbing store trips later, at least, I think I finally have the parts to build this the way I would like. Okay, that is our blow-off valve. It's 3/4 in here, so we're gonna go 3/4 to half there, and then we can go half to half. So we'll go out to PEX here. Maybe we'll go that way. No. So we can come out that way. This is what was on here originally. You can't see shit. Oh. This is what would have been on here before these were clocked differently on the old water heaters, so they came straight out the side into there. So I have to come up with a new way to get this over here. Over here. So it's just a matter of deciding where all plumbing's gonna go. This is all just dry fit at the moment, but so we've got drains in white. I've got hot water out in red. I've got blue water in cold water in blue. And then these two drains, these are the last two I have to decide on. As you can see, they came clocked from the factory at a bizarre angle, and I don't have an easy way. Right there is approximately where the drains go through the floor in the bus. Yeah, so I'm still working on that. I could either try and go straight down. I could try and bend. I was gonna go this way, but I'm not crazy about creating that low spot there. Yeah. Just squeeze this down until it releases. That's it. One crimp done. see how those crimp over like that and squeeze down on the plastic. That is all the water tank plumbing done that I can do in the garage. All the brass fittings are done with Teflon tape and Teflon pipe dope. And all the PEX has been crimped to where we can start putting this stuff in the bus.